Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about this short circuit evaluation. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, whenever we try to write like variable is not equal to null, variable is not equal to undefined, variable is not equal to this kind of checks when we are trying to apply, it's like boring of this thing. First you check null, first you check undefined, then this, then you are assigning the variable. Okay, so this is a long process. Okay, so to shortcut this process we have to come up with this three methods, right? So first, so you can see that const name, if the username is there then it's okay, else it will print the guest one, right? So you can do the same thing here. You are checking that variable is not equal to null, variable is not equal to undefined, variable is not equal to blank, so it will check all the things, right? So const name, username, whether it's to be undefined, null, blank, okay, it will return, else it will return the guest. Okay, so next one, second, user and the user dot email and send user dot email. If user and user.email both are truthy before calling the send email function. If both return true, then the next function will call. It is a shorthand function, right? So first you are checking whether the user has the object or not, and if the user has the email or not, then you are calling that function. Else you are just adding the check like if the user, then if the user, then user dot email equal to this, then you are calling that function. So it's a multiple if else condition that will increase the lines of code. So this is the one liner code that you are checking whether the user has the object, has the details or not, and user consists the email part or not, then you are calling the function. One liner, right? The second one, the const age. The first we are checking again the user, if it consists the user object, then user has the age or not, then it will, whatever that if the user is undefined, then it will go to the age part, right? So both needs to be true so that it will return the age in the age parameter, right? So this is the shorthand evaluation. So whenever you want to check whether their variable is null, undefined, or you want to assign some default value, so you can do that one. Okay, so I will give you the one more example of it, right? So give me a second. So here if I go and just let's suppose let's, we can say that about the environment variables, right? So let's take the example of environment variable, email. Okay, host email, let host email. Okay, I'm taking the blank, right? If I'm checking it from the process.env file, okay, because the smtp details are there. So if process dot env dot email underscore host, if it is there, okay, if this is a process, right? If it is there, then we are assigning host email, to some of the this one. If it is true, then we are assigning this parameter, right? Okay, and if not there, then we are using the else statement, and this is host email to be any of the default email, right? So any test at the rate gmail.com, right? So it is like this. I want to shorten this code, it can be shortened, right? So the process is, I will write const variable name host email. Okay, and here I'm just adding process dot event email host. If it is there, if it is there, okay, then use the default value as the local host. Okay, or any of the values, so we make it in like this quotes. Okay, so the same thing, this line of code, this line of things, you can see the one liner. If it is there, then if it is there, then it will take the value of that parameter. If it's not, then take the value of the test at the default value. So instead of writing the 5 lines of code, you can use the one line of code, right? So this is the short circuit evaluation with the help of the logical operators. That should be an or operator, that should be and operators, right? Here you can see that we have used the or operators then and operators. Okay, so this is how we can implement the short circuit evaluation in our JavaScript. So it's shorthand method technique for the JavaScript. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.